Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope well. I welcome to you my online ICT class for you. 3 English version, subject ICT. More logo commands. Pen erase command. Pen erase command. More logo command এর মধ্যে more logo commands. The pen erase command. Pen erase command. While drawing on paper by using a pencil, what do you do when you make a mistake? You use an eraser to erase lines. You can erase lines on the computer also. The command pen erase or PE. Pen erase or PE. Puts the turtle in erase mode. Once you give this command, the turtle will work like an eraser. It keeps erasing everything until you command it to come back to pen mode. You can do this by giving the pen down command. Type the following commands and see what happens. FD50, PE, BK50. FD50, the turtle draws a line 50 steps long. FD50, PE, BK50. FD50, the turtle draws a line. The turtle draws a line. Draws a line 50 steps long. 50 steps long. PE, the turtle picks up the eraser. The turtle picks up the eraser. Pick up the eraser. BK50. BK50, the turtle goes over the line drawn by the command FD50. The turtle goes over the line. The turtle goes over the line drawn by the command command FD50. FD50. Page 108. 108. Type 2, number 2, FD50, RT90, FD50. You will get the figure as shown here, page 108. FD50, RT90, FD50. You will get the figure as shown here. এই কমান্ডটা দেওয়ার পরে আমরা এই চিত্রটা পাবো, FD50, RT90, FD50. You will get the figure as shown here. You now wish to erase the last line drawn and instead draw it in the opposite direction. Type pen erase PE BK50, PD BK50. Some more commands. The clear screen command. You have completed a figure on the screen. Now you want to clear the screen to start a new figure. For this, you give the command clear screen or CS. Page 109. You have completed a figure on the screen. Now you want to clear the screen to start a new figure. For this, you give the command clear screen or CS. On typing this command, the screen is cleaned and the turtle returns to the home position. Type the command given below and see what figure you get. Page 109. FD40, RT90, FD40, RT90, FD60, RT90. Type CS and press enter. What do you observe? The set PC command. This command is used to change the color of the turtle pen. The command is set PC color number. You can set the pen and draw with the color you want. The color number can be from 0 to 15. এখানে ওই আমরা কালারিং করার জন্য টার্টলের অর্থাৎ টার্টল দিয়ে যে আমরা যে কালারিং করব সেখানে কতগুলো নাম্বার আছে, যেমন 0 ব্ল্যাক, 1 ব্লু, 2 গ্রিন, 3 সাইন, 4 রেড, এই ধরনের করে 15 পর্যন্ত। কমান্ড কী হবে, যেমন set pc to fd 20, will move the turtle 20 steps forward and drawing a green line. Set pc third bracket start 1 to 7 255 0 third bracket complete fd 20 will also give you the same result. তাহলে আমরা আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। এই পেজ হচ্ছে 109। No more today. Again, see you another online ICT class. সেই পর্যন্ত stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.